Guys, on the Father's Day, I was meeting a friend in Navy Yard and I was trying to build in his shop the side covers for the Super 73 RX with the CYC kit. I want to finish the build with 72-volt battery and post the final video review for you. And I saw a group of bike riders I was passing by and I thought I saw the HD Livewire electric motorcycle and I decided to stop by and check it out, and I'm glad I did. These guys are awesome, and Steve let me try his custom HD, and after I tested the TARFORM electric motorcycle. This thing is insanely cool, it's beautiful, and it's super fast. Guys, I did not have my camera set up with me and no microphone, so bear with me, and I hope the audio is okay and understandable.
There you go. There's your charger right there. And then you got your A, B, and C, or level 1, 2, and 3, like a Tesla. And they're charging 1 hour, 100%.
Awesome.
Cool.
And this is a custom HD. You see here, different end, different lights, and you have to see it in person. It looks awesome. Like in a video, it doesn't really do justice. It looks like a regular bike, but in person, the attention tail, and actually they dropped the price from 35,000 to 21. This thing, it's insane. And you have a front custom light, and you have this awesome blinkers or lights right here. And if you look here closely, it's acrylic, so it's insane. And you have here, I just showed you earlier, 3 types of charging. It drives insanely cool. I'll try to get 360 and see if I can record, but this thing looks awesome and has so much power. And you have here reflectors in the back. Also, it's custom, added by the owner. It's super cool.
Green power. Oh, the kickstand. Now you got green. So now you're good. Okay? There you go. Okay, there you go. Sounds good. I hear you, man.
It's awesome. This is fantastic. I pulled on that side. I pulled like a little bit to like 40. It's insane. So much power.
It's a lot of torque.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's endless torque. From 0 to 115, endless torque.
It's like, I mean, it would be cool to take this to highway.
Oh, yeah.
That would be awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Here, I feel like I don't have enough room, but I really jammed it, and
You felt it. Oh, yeah, it will go. You don't need too much room.
And it's easy, like anybody, my grandma can probably
Anybody
jump,
can ride it.
It's so comfortable.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is also custom, right?
That is from Harley Davidson, carbon fiber.
It looks really cool.
It is,
Really,
yeah,
really cool.
100% carbon fiber. It's the only part that's carbon fiber on the bike.
Seal is so nicely placed here, so beautiful.
Yeah,
Very nice.
yeah.
Thank you so much
You
for
got
the
it.
ride. This is amazing.
Absolutely. Anytime,
you.
sir.
So these are the 2 TARFORM motorcycles that actually register and legal to be driven on the streets. The black one is the production version that will cost about $25,000, and the silver one is the custom made, which is $50,000 price tag. Every single panel was crafted by an artist in Brooklyn, and it's handmade, and it's perfect. It's so beautifully balanced, and the silver one doesn't have the noise amplifier, but the black one has the vibration tank and has a speaker which creates a real motorcycle sound, which is pretty cool. And here on Harley Davidson you can check the brakes, the front brakes, Brembo brakes. I think it's 6 piston brake, massive huge brakes on both bikes. And here in Livewire you can see the vents, and the bottom is like a stealth bomber with a bomb attached under it to drop it. It's looking so cool, and the slick tires in the back, the custom rear end is just fantastic. Okay, so you're saying about the sound?
So the bike has an acoustic resonator that's placed inside of the bodywork that basically amplifies the sound of the motor. So when you ride it, you're going to hear it way louder than any other electric motorbike. So it gives you a better connection to...
What is the power? What's the battery capacity? What's the top speed? What are the specs?
So it's 11.8 kilowatt hour battery pack. You get about 100-mile range in the city. Top speed 120 miles an hour. 0 to 60, 3.8 seconds.
Wow.
And 116 foot-pounds of torque on the rear wheel. Direct drive, no gearbox, nothing to shift. Just twist the throttle
and go, yeah.
Yeah, man. Go for it.
All right, let me go and try it, yeah. I don't have gears, so I'll go slowly still. But I can feel it has a lot of power.
Oh yeah, it's pulling. So I'm just giving the car some space.
Okay.
Because I'll try it a little bit.
Well, I have the camera, so I don't want to, do anything stupid. But I'll try.
Oh, yeah.
I'll go behind you.
Okay.
I don't have a jacket or gloves, and I'm holding this flexible 360 camera pole stick, and it's really hard to really push it to the max, and this is the only one model available, so I couldn't really jam it hard. But there's a stretch here where I pushed to 65-70 miles an hour, and from rolling in 2 seconds or 3 seconds just got you there so fast. It pulls so hard. Unbelievable comfort, and has this classic stylish design. It's simple and so easy to ride this model. Even if you're a novice, you'll have so much fun and enjoy this bike if you try it. Anyone can ride it, and it's that simple to operate. Has a super smooth start, a lot of throttle range, and has 3 modes, and you can have it in aggressive sports setting but still have unbelievable control and so much comfort with confidence and a lot of power, and pull it really, really hard. 3.8 seconds 0 to 60, but feels like 2 seconds. Guys, amazing bike, amazing experience. I'm super glad I stopped by to check them out. Take a look at their website and buy one if you have the funds. It's that good. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. This is fantastic. This thing is, and all this stuff like vibrates from the amplifier. It's so cool. And look at this handlebar. It's so aluminum CNC. This is amazing.